So I've been asked many times, what are the most important things you need on your charts when you're trading currencies, stocks, or commodities? First of all, where to get the charts from, and then secondly, what you should have on your charts. And I'm going to give you 5 things that I think you should have on your charts. Just 5. I don't use a lot of indicators. I also pay attention to the fundamentals, and you need a combination of understanding what's going on in the marketplace, in the economies of the world, to give you a framework within which to trade. Once you've done that, you can use your charts for timing the markets. First of all, let's talk about charts. There's really no debate about which are the best charts available on the market, and that's tradingview.com. At the top, I've got the hourly charts, and at the bottom, I've got the daily charts. And I'm going to start with the hour chart using the classical G7 trading system setup that I've been using for over 20 years. In TradingView, you can go to indicators. There's a little tick tag at the top here. The first one I'm going to put on is a moving average, and we want the simple moving average, so you just select the moving average. You can change that to whatever you want. And I'm going to change that to the length of 200 hours. The source is the close, no offset. It's a simple moving average. That's why it says SMA. So now we have a 200-hour moving average on our Euro US dollar chart. The next thing I'm going to do is to put in the 200-period Bollinger Bands. Over here, click on there and clicking on settings. And I'm going to change this to 200. Source is closed, 2 standard deviations, that's all correct. I'm going to remove the basis line, that's the central line, which I don't use, in place, and remove the background on my chart. And you see there's a line at the top and there's a line at the bottom. These act as lines of support or resistance, as does the 200-hour moving average. The next thing I'm going to put in is a stochastic. And once again, it puts the default stochastic in. I'm going to change these to my own particular settings and to inputs. And you can see the standard default settings are 14, 1, and 3. I'm going to change that to 14, 7, 3. The start of this was that I use candlestick charts. There's a very important reason for using candlesticks. Candlesticks are an incredibly powerful way to represent price on your charts and the price action shown by the candlesticks. So there you have it. That's the hour chart with the indicators. You'll see I've only got 4 indicators on here. The stochastic, 1473, 200-period Bollinger Band, the 200-period moving average, simple moving average, and the 20-period simple moving average. Then I have 3 other tools that I use in my charts, and those are trend lines, support and resistance lines, and Fibonacci lines. Once again, I don't have time in this video to describe to you how to use these or how I use them in the G7 trading strategy, but you can learn some of that by watching some of the videos on this channel. So thanks very much for watching this video, and if you found it useful and you enjoyed it and you're interested in charting, why not subscribe to the channel? And in that way, when I upload new videos, you'll be the first to hear about it.